Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you, and this time it's Dior again. Okay, let's see what's inside. As always, beautiful packaging. Okay, the star, another beautiful ornament for my future Christmas tree. Love them, beautiful. And here we go, famous white box. And as you probably can tell, this is another pair of shoes. Sneakers in particular, Dior One sneakers. This is the style. Beautiful box, hard and embossed. White, gorgeous, as always with Dior. Let's open it. All right, here we have a little pouch with extra laces, simple white laces. Always good to have a spare pair just in case. What else do we have? This is from Dior, like small thank you note. Then we have two shoe sacks. This made from the thick cotton, very quality, with the golden embossed Dior wording. Always good to have these, even though I have all my boxes still. But it's very convenient to have dust bags. And let's open the box. The packaging paper is good too. I don't know if you can see, it's all embossed with Dior, Dior, Dior. And here we are. It's packaged very well. And here is one of the shoe. Okay, let's pick another one and take the packaging out of the way. So here they are, beautiful shoes, really. Okay, you might ask, why do you need another pair of white sneakers? That's not the right question. If you like the sneakers, you will understand me, because they are all different, right? I know they are. Okay, so this time, this is a Dior One sneakers, and this is from this season. This is a new color. They had like beige and a light blue, green last season. Now it's dark blue. The sole, I mean. Because all the sneakers otherwise is white. It made from beautiful calfskin leather and partially perforated here with a beautiful Dior Oblique pattern. If you can see, yes, here we go. And on the front, here is the regular leather. And here on the side, all the way through, what else we have? We have Christian Dior signature wording, Paris, on the back, and signature star with CD on the back too. Okay, the sole is beautiful too, and one of the reasons I choose this pair, because the blue is very dark blue, and here you can see Dior and signature star. So why? Because yeah, the fall is coming, and all my sneakers with the white soles, they are almost ruined because of that, because the sole is picking all the dirt and all this, you know, stuff. But all my dark sole sneakers are holding so well, very nice, and it doesn't bother me that much. So I from now on would prefer the dark sole, but it's just my opinion. Even though I love the all white sneakers look, this is like perfect combination for me because it's very thin, as you can see. It looks all white if you are looking from above, but at the same time your sole doesn't get ruined so fast. So this is best from both worlds in my opinion. What do you think? Okay, let's continue to look at the shoe. Here we have, let's open it up, and the tongue has this Dior Oblique pattern as well, and the leather label with Christian Dior PARIS. Sorry for my pronunciation, I don't know French, sorry. Okay, here is the number. Again, it might be a style number, I don't know what is it, but the last two numbers, that's the size, that's the shoe size. And I picked size 39 as always in Dior sneakers. I usually wear 38.5, and if you watched my previous reviews and box openings, you know that I'm 38.5 in Italian shoes like Manolo, Jimmy Choo, and Dior usually if it's sandals, but in boots and in sneakers from Dior I'm size 39. I'm always half size up because I feel more comfortable. And let's continue. Here we have another logo inside Christian Dior Paris. And inside it's a textile, like this part is textile, like fabric, and we have the leather sole. This part is from fabric, and it continues like a little bit back here, so it feels very comfortable. I will show it on my feet, but I can tell you right away that this is one of the most comfortable shoes I ever tried on, and that's no joke. My previous Christian Dior sneakers, the Star sneakers, they are comfortable, but okay, they need a little bit time for break. And these shoes, I have a feeling that you don't need this time. If, as I told you, you pick up a half size bigger, you will be fine. So anyways, here you have a little bit of leather. You can see the border. Here is the leather, like on your back part, and here it continues with fabric, and it goes all the way up here, so it's very, very smooth. Here the upper is all the way through calfskin, partially perforated, as I told you, and yeah, it continues all the way through. Looks fantastic, looks beautiful. Here we go. Okay, the second shoe, it's the same obviously, but I just wanted to look all the way through just to make sure there is nothing that quality wise that I can complain about. So it looks good. Well, I obviously tried it in the store. By the way, I bought these shoes at the store at the local Dallas boutique, and the service is impeccable as well. Again, if you wanna know the name of my sales associates, I can let you know. Just comment down below and I send you his name. He's fantastic. Okay, so here they are, the beautiful shoes. Let's enjoy them for a moment in all their glory, okay? Do we like it? I think we love it. Let's try them on, shall we? Okay, I usually put this inside, somewhere on the side, out or in, or just both by the side, it's up to you. I do it time to time, this or that, doesn't matter. I prefer to leave the tongue out. So here they are. What do we think? I think these are fantastic. Very white, very girly, but at the same time could be a hard working shoe because of the dark sole. Beautiful. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know in the comments below what do you like about the sneakers, what not, or if you have any questions or do you want to know something more about the sneakers, and I will be happy to answer all your questions. Until next time, bye.